Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Tally Prime in two systems. First, identify one system as your server and the other as your client. Ensure both machines are connected to the same local area network for seamless communication. Install Tally Prime on both systems, following the standard installation process. Finally, adjust your firewall settings on both computers to allow Tally Prime to communicate freely across the network. This foundational setup is crucial for successful multi-system operation. On your designated server system, open Tally Prime and load the company data you wish to share. Navigate to the F14 Features menu and enable Tally NET services for client access. This step makes your company data discoverable on the network. Make a note of your server's IP address or its system name. You will need this information for connecting the client machine. This prepares your data for remote access. Now move to your client system and launch Tally Prime. From the company selection screen, choose the option to connect to a remote company or a Tally NET user. You will then be prompted to enter the server's IP address or system name that you noted earlier. If required, input your Tally NET credentials to authenticate the connection. This establishes the link between your client and the server data. Once successfully connected, your client system can fully access and operate on the shared company data. You can perform all your daily transactions, generate various reports, and manage accounts just as if you were on the server. Any changes made on either system are instantly updated across both. Remember to implement a robust data backup strategy on your server for data security.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.